Come on in, ladies.
Luke, we talked on the phone, you and I. You rode my bike this winter.
Oh, okay.
Just after we were talking last week, he's talking about a carburetor. Then he popped your name and I goes, I know his name.
Yeah.
I said, did I say it with that guy? Then he said, no. We just said, I'm going to go get some. I said, Jesus, that's the guy that's going to do my bike.
See, who did that? Yeah, that's my bike, that. Jesus, the wire work. Holy shit. Anybody don't like dogs?
No, we're good.
Okay, let me let him out for a sec or he'll drive me crazy. So I had to let Norman in for a minute, and he always likes the ladies, so we had to have a sniff around and see how things were going. So I'm here with Gus today from This Old Chopper. Check it out if you haven't seen it. It's a good channel, and there's a lot of neat stuff on there. And he's a hardcore shovel guy, so
yeah, I love
to see that. I love to see that. I love to see that old stuff being worked on.
And a veteran.
Yeah.
And just trying to keep the head straight.
Yeah. Wow, it's great to see you. Glad you could make it up to the shop for a visit.
And wrenching is the thing I'm trying to spread.
Yeah.
Get out and work on something. And don't sit in your couch and isolate and get out and work on something.
That's right.
That's 100%.
That's about what got me into it. I figured all the years I've had it working here and I had experience doing stuff.
Yeah.
I think it's nice to be able to pass some stuff on because if we don't do it, it's going to be a lost art, and the next generation just won't have guys like us to kick around and get some information out of.
And that's awesome. That is
going to be a lost
It will be. People aren't going to work on their stuff.
No, not at all.
And YouTube helps a lot.
It certainly helps generate the interest because it shows guys, look at it, I'm watching the video, maybe I can do that. Maybe I can work on that on my own bike and get it to work properly.
Yeah. And the way I look at it, I mean, there's always somebody, if you mess it up, will bail you out.
I love to see that. I love to see guys working on that old stuff.
Though somebody will come and help you.
Yeah.
If you screw it up, oh well.
Yeah.
Somebody will help you.
Yeah, well, wrenching on stuff is fun.
You'll never know unless you try.
That's right.
You have to try.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Well, it's good to see you. I'm glad you bucked to the shop. Glad I can help you. Give you some parts for your S&S stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And we'll be keeping an eye on you.
Right on.
All right, cool.
Thank
man.
you.
That machine is beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
So that's the one that you did the motor and everything?
Yes. Yeah.
All right,
I just don't have all the specs up for it. I'm just building a spec sheet because it's all new. Fatter tires,
yeah.
Bigger fenders and stuff. Fattens it up
So,
a little bit in the back.
Yeah, it makes it so
nice.
super good.
Yeah. So when I got a chance to spend some time with Luke and have a look at his bike and talk over some thoughts about a Frankenstein trike kit for it, I know that he'll be happy. He's impressed with them. He's made his choice, and I think we're going to move ahead with it. So I look forward to working with you, Luke, and getting this trike rear end set up for you.
But I like these fenders.
I know.
Yeah, they're nice. They are nice.
Yeah, I just sort of built it for myself as I went along. I couldn't help myself. I put the 50 series tires on it. I just kind of built things the way I like to have it, and I'm my own worst enemy sometimes.
Ain't we talking about that?
What?
But he's on his third bike building for himself.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I can't get rid of my first one, ever.
See?
Never.
But the second one, he
It was
can't
a
use
fluke.
the second one.
That's right.
My first one was a fluke and it turned out great. So, anyways.
So it was great to have Gus come up to the shop today and shoot the shit about things, get some parts that he needed. I was glad to be able to help him out. Be sure and check him out on his own channel, This Old Chopper. It's pretty interesting stuff, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well. So stick around and we'll move along with things. Well, that was an interesting visit. Great to have somebody else with the YouTube channel stop by and take the time to come and see you. We're all out there just trying to have fun and trying to spread the word. So check out his channel at This Old Chopper, and I'm sure you'll find some stuff that's interesting there. He's a pretty interesting guy. All right, have a good day.